Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video I will show you how to load a CSV file into a PostgreSQL database using the PgAdmin tool. So we have two databases, WorkDB and Postgres database. So in the WorkDB database I have table person. So I'm going to load a CSV file which is situated at C files TestData.csv file. So I'm going to load this particular file which contains 1000 number of records to the PostgreSQL database. So let's see how we can do that. So this is my CSV file that I'm going to load, and it has columns like ID, first name, last name, gender and company name. So first of all, let's right click the tables and click query tool. So I'm going to create a table to hold this particular data. So let me write the create table script. Create table public dot MyData, and ID integer, first name varchar 100, last name varchar 100, and gender will be varchar 50, and then a company name will be varchar 100. So this is my create table script to hold the data from this particular table. So let's execute this particular query. So it has created the table, and let's refresh the table. So you can see that now we have table MyData, and it should not contain any data as of now because we have not inserted any data into this particular table. So let's verify that thing and then execute the query. So this table doesn't have any data inside. Okay, so let's import the CSV file into MyData table. Alright, so let's import the CSV file into public.mydata table. So to import the CSV file, there is a very simple one line of code that we need to execute. Copy, and then the table name public.mydata. Remember, the query in the PostgreSQL is case sensitive, and even the name of the objects are case sensitive as well. So you cannot write like MyData as MyData. So it should be it's case sensitive, so it should be in the proper case. So we just need to type copy our table name and then from, and then we need to provide the location of the file where the file exists. So our file exists at C files, and its name is TestData.csv, and after that we need to tell that it is of delimiter type file, and the delimiter is comma, and it is a CSV file, and the first line of the file contains some header information. So we need to tell that it contains header. Okay, so we have written the PostgreSQL query to import the C files TestData.csv into public.mydata table, and it is a delimited file which is, and the columns are delimited by a comma, and it's a CSV file which contains header in the first line. So let's execute this particular query. The query got completed and it has imported 1000 number of records. So you can verify that by rerunning the query. Select star from MyData, and you should see the data in the table. Okay, so as you can see that the data has been successfully imported to the MyData table in the PostgreSQL. So thanks guys for watching the video, and if you like the video then please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel to see more videos on different technologies. Thank you.